They decrease food value 60 to 90%. Broccoli lost 97% of its antioxidant content when cooked in a microwave, whereas the same broccoli only lost 11% when it was steamed. It causes a disruption in the formation and function of your hormones. It disturbs brain function, particularly impacting concentration and memory. It diminishes the function of your immune system. It increases carcinogens in all foods that are cooked in a microwave. And it transforms living foods into dead matter. Now, it's been determined that every microwave, no matter how good, leaks microwaves into the atmosphere. That, coupled with cell phones, TV, transmission towers, and computers, actually surrounds us with a microwave smog that has a cumulative effect on us, and our body becomes more sensitive over time.